everyone, welcome back to our channel. Yet again, our very special guest, Dr. Lata Vandani ma'am is with us, and we have specially requested her to brief us about IUGR babies, as many of you mothers have requested it. Here, I have a very small request. Actually, it's quite a big request for all of you. Please, first, if you want to contact Lata ma'am, leave a WhatsApp message. She will give you a time, an appointment time, and that time you can call her. Please do not call her directly as she is very busy. I hope you understand. Thank you so much. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
Hi everybody, again I'm Dr. Lata, a pediatrician. So with all your requests, Tina requested me to tell about the IUGR topic. So now I came with the IUGR topic. You don't need to know completely about the topic. I'll just brief you what is an IUGR baby and what is a preterm baby and what is a maturity. All I'll tell you, just brief. It is a very big topic for us. Okay, don't think about it much.
So first question now. Who is called an IUGR baby? Is there a difference between preterm babies and IUGR babies?
Okay. So firstly, you want to know what is the IUGR baby. IUGR means intrauterine growth restriction. Inside the uterus, growth will be restricted. It is not up to the mark compared to normal babies. That is the IUGR. IUGR means intrauterine growth restriction. Okay. And difference between IUGR and preterm babies. Preterm babies means those who delivered less than 36 weeks of gestation. That is a preterm baby. That means term baby, it is not a term baby. That is a preterm baby. IUGR babies means they will come out after the completion of 36 weeks, but their growth is restricted. That growth is not up to the mark as compared to the weeks of gestation. So baby delivered at 37 weeks, but it will be below the 10th percentile of the weight. That is a IUGR baby. Okay. And the difference between preterm and IUGR is that the same thing. Less than 36 weeks, more than 36 weeks. Initially they used to call term babies, term and IUGR, preterm. Now the definition has changed. Now it is nowhere considered as IUGR. It is now called as small for dates, less for dates, SFD, LFD, less for dates, small for dates, IUGR, all the same. Okay. And the IUGR is classified into three groups.